In today's world, many people move their bodies every day, but very few truly connect with the body. Exercise has become intense, rushed, and competitive, often creating more stress than healing. At the same time, many people seek inner peace through meditation but struggle because the body itself is tense, restless, or we can say exhausted. So Kaizen Flow was created to bridge this gap. It is the foundational exercise system of Shinsei Taiso Do. The word Kaizen means continuous improvement. In this system, improvement does not come through force. It comes through small, conscious, intelligent movement practiced consistently. So this Kaizen Flow is designed to gently rebuild the body, calm the mind, and prepare the inner system for deeper awareness and healing. What makes this system truly unique is how and why the body is moved. Unlike high-impact workouts that usually push the body into survival mode, Kaizen Flow works with the nervous system rather than against it. The movements are slow, grounded, and purposeful, inspired by martial arts science, therapeutic exercise, and modern neuroscience. So this allows the body to feel safe while gradually becoming stronger, more flexible, and more balanced. On physical level, Kaizen Flow improves joint mobility, muscle coordination, postures, balance, and circulation. It strengthens the body without overloading it and releases long-held tension stored in muscles and fascia. The exercises support detoxification, better breathing, improved digestion, and healthy spinal alignment. Because the movements are low to moderate impact, Kaizen Flow is suitable for all ages, from young adults to seniors, and especially beneficial for people dealing with stress and lifestyle-related conditions. So, Kaizen Flow has a profound effect on the mind and nervous system. Slow rhythmic movement combined with the conscious breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the body's natural healing and recovery mode. So, as a result, the mental restlessness decreases, focus improves, and emotional activity softens. So, many people experience constant overthinking, anxiety, and mental fatigue. So, this system trains the mind through the body, allowing clarity to emerge naturally. Instead of forcing concentration, the mind settles on its own. Over time, practitioners report improved attention, emotional stability, better sleep, and a greater sense of inner calm. So if he's talking about spiritually, Kaizen Flow prepares the body to hold awareness. In Shinsei Taiso Do, spiritual growth is not separated from physical health. A tense body cannot hold stillness. A fatigued nervous system cannot sustain awareness. So Kaizen Flow gently removes these obstacles. Through grounded movement and a conscious breath, the body becomes relaxed yet alert. And this creates the ideal condition for meditation, insight, and inner connection. Why Kaizen Flow is different? Let's check that. Kaizen Flow emphasizes consistency over intensity. You are not asked to do more, you are guided to do better. Small improvements practiced daily create deep, lasting change. And this approach builds discipline without burnout and strength without aggression. So, Kaizen Flow is not just exercise, it is education through movement. Each session teaches awareness, patience, and self-regulation. These qualities naturally extend into daily life, improving how you walk, work, communicate, and respond to challenges. So, Kaizen Flow is the first pillar of Shinsei Taiso Do. It creates the physical and the mental condition needed for Taiso flow and the Ki flow to work effectively.